students of class 9th. Previously, we get understood about irrational number and representation of irrational numbers. So today we discuss another examples for irrational numbers. How can we represent it? Then see. How can we represent irrational numbers on number line that we can explain on previous class? How can we represent root of 2 on a number line? So today we can elaborate examples and we can explain about how can we represent on number line. Then see. What is given? Another, that is represent root of 3 on number line. Previously we can discuss how can you represent root of 2 on number line, and today we can discuss root of 3. How can we represent root of 3 on a number line? Let's see. Let's see here. For root of 3, you can write down here root of 2 whole square plus 1 square. Why you can write down here? Let's see here. Because you can write down here root of 2, root cancel, we get that is 2. So we can, for root of 3, we can write down root of 2 square plus 1 square. That's clear? Means for representation of root of 3 on number line, first we have need to understood about how can we represent root of 2. First we can represent root of 2, then after we can represent root of 3. That's clear? Then see. और दोनों का स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 9 आप जानते हैं कि रूट ऑफ 2 को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टूड ऑन प्रीवियस क्लास. Then see. How can we represent here? Then see here. We can draw a straight line. Same process. Take 1 centimeter equal to 1 in left hand side, negative number, in right hand side, positive number. That is 1, 2, 3, etc. Then after first we have need, that is the for root of 2. You know that it is the 1 square and plus 1 square. Okay? Then see here. How can we represent it? Then first we can draw a straight line of 1 centimeter. That is a point A. And again draw a line AB, that is a 1 centimeter, which is perpendicular of the given line at point A. That's clear? Then join this one, so OB can be represent root of 2. That you can understood on previous class. But for root of 3, you can represent root of 3 equal to root of 2 square plus 1 square. So root of 2 is the base, 1 is the perpendicular. Again, you can take B as the center, draw a line BC, which is perpendicular at OB. 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना के भी एक BC लाइन हम ड्रॉ करेंगे, किसपे? जो OB के साथ में 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाए. और ये भी कितना होना चाहिए? 1 सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज परपेंडिकुलर इज गिवन 1 सेंटीमीटर. Thereafter join OC. This OC can be represented root of 3. How can we represent root of 3? Then see here. OB is given root of 2. BC is given 1. So in triangle, OBC is a right angle triangle, or it is a right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So we can take in triangle OBC. in triangle OBC by using PTH. So we can write down here OC square equal to OB square plus BC square. Thereafter OC square. What is the OB? OB is given root of 2 square. BC 1 square. So OC square 2 plus 1. So OC square 3. OC equal to that is a root of. That's clear? So you know that OC can be represented. We can take O as the center, OC as the radius, and draw an arc. Draw an arc, which intersect given line at any point, and this point can be represented root of. क्या करते हैं? O को सेंटर लेंगे, OC रेडियस ले, कंपास ले और एक आर्क कैंसिल करेंगे। ये आर्क इस लाइन को किसी न किसी पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा। ये जिस पॉइंट पे रिप्रेजेंट करे, जिस पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करे, वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगी? रूट ऑफ 3। That's clear? Same process. We can represent root of 4, but root of 4 that means rational numbers. That means rational number. So root of 2 and root of 3. Root of 3 can be depend on root of. Then after we can take another examples, that is a root of 5. Then see. Next we can take another examples, that is a represent root of 5 on number. Root of 5 on number. So root of 6, root of 7, root of 8, that depend on root of 5. After 9, because root of 9 that is a complete square root. Root of 9 that is 3, that you can represent as 0. But after root of 9, root 10, root 11, root 12, root 13, root 14, root 15, that can be depend on root of 9. Okay, then see. Represent root of 5 on number line. See. Represent root of 5 on number line. How can we represent it? Then see. Root of 5. For root of 5, you can write down here that is a root of 2 square plus 1 square. Means we can assume base is 2. But root of 1 also can represent by this process. First root of 2, then root of 3, then root of 4, then after root of 5. आप इससे भी कंटिन्यू एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड करके रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, बट आपकी प्रॉब्लम को थोड़ा सा इजी करने के लिए हम अपन ने इसको प्रोसेस चेंज किया। रूट ऑफ 5 की वैल्यू 2 पे डिपेंड होंगे, रूट ऑफ 10 से 3 पे डिपेंड हो जाएंगे, रूट 3 पे डिपेंड रहेंगे कहां तक? रूट ऑफ 15 तक, और फिर रूट 17, 18, 19 उनको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए इस पे डिपेंड हो जाएंगे 4 पे, 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 एक्सेट्रा। ठीक है, तो सी हियर हाउ कैन वी रिप्रेजेंट दिस? Draw a straight line. On left hand side we can take negative numbers, right hand side we can take positive number. Same, one number equal to 1 centimeter. That's clear. What is base? 2. So we can assume base that is at 2 centimeter. O and A is 0. This can be, we can represent 2 centimeter. Then after at the point A, draw a line AB which make 90-degree angle with OA. Means perpendicular of OA we can draw it. That is 1 centimeter. It is 2, it is a 1. Then after join OB. This 2, this 1, so OB can be represent root of 5. How can be this is root of 5? Then say here, if you can write down here OA equal to 2 centimeter. Here AB equal to 1 centimeter. OA 2 and EB, that is a 1. Because in a right angle triangle, you know that in right angle triangle we can use Pythagoras. So in triangle OAB, by using PTH. By using PTH. According to PTH, we can use OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. So what is the OB? OB we want to find that OA is given 2A square, AB is given 1 square. So OB square equal to 4 plus 1 means OB square equal to 5. So OB equal to, it is a root of 5. That's clear? Then student, you can take O as the center and OB as a radius in a compass and draw an arc which intersect given line at A point. This point can be represented root of 5. This point can be represented root of 5. Any problem? But for root of 6, we can depend on root of 5. For root of 7, we can depend on root of 6. For root of 8, we can depend on root of 7. This continuous process till root of 8. Then after root of 9, we can depend on 3. 3 square plus 1 square. Then we can see another example. How can we represent that is a root of 6 on a number line? Then see root of 6. See here, how can we represent root of 6 on a number line? See. Say represent root of 6 on number line. Root of 6 on number line. Then see, how can we represent root of 6? For root of 6, we can depend on root of 5. How can we can write down here root of 5 square plus 1 square. Means overall, first we have need to represent root of 5, then after root of 6. But you know that about root of 5, you can here write down 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square plus 1 square. Then first we have need to represent root of 5 in our given process. See here, how can we represent it? Draw in number line 0. In LHS, it is a negative number, -2, -2, -3, -2. It is positive number 1, 2, 3. Students, then after we can draw a straight line in this form, okay, and represent in LHS negative number -4, -3, -2, -2, and write as positive numbers. Because we have need to represent root of 6 on a number line. So first we have need to represent root of 5, then after root of 6. So first we can take OA 2 centimeter, AB 1 centimeter, and then after this 2, this 1, then join OB. So OB can be represent root of 5. Because for root of 6 we can depend on root of 5. So we can take OB as the base and draw a line BC, that is 1 centimeter, which make 90 degree with line OB. Is clear? With line OB. So with line, then after we can join this. We can join this OC. This OC can be represent root of 6. अब बेटा ये प्रॉब्लम है ओसी ही की रूट ऑफ 6 को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, तो उसके लिए देखिए बेटा आपके पास में ट्राइंगल लिया, कौन सा ट्राइंगल है? इन ट्राइंगल ओबीसी, इन ट्राइंगल ओबीसी